In this video, we will briefly understand Azure App Services Deployment slots. So in our last video, we created this Azure App Services, right? So in here we got this uh, URL. So this, let's say if we consider this as a dev environment, and if we want to have like more environments like test and production, then using the same app service, what we can do is we can create uh, what we can do is we can create different deployment slots, okay, like for dev, for testing, and for production. So whenever we create a slot, we will get different website altogether. So that for that we need to upgrade our app service plan, and in here if you see in dev and test, we are not getting anything related to deployment slots. In here if we choose this, it will be charged this much, and we are getting up to 20 staging slots. Okay, now we'll apply this one. Okay, so this is applied. I'll go here, so I'll refresh. So this is our the existing one, and we can now add one more slot. We say this is dev. So here if you see, this is adding dev. Okay, clone settings, we want to take it from this one. Okay, now I'll add. Now what we'll do is we'll integrate the same in our release pipeline. Okay, so now we have this dev and this is our production. So if I go here and if I browse this one, it's loading. I'll pause the video and resume once it is up. So now it has loaded, but it is giving this error saying that 404 not found, and this is the URL of our dev app services. So if I troubleshooted, when I troubleshooted, I found that you know, it has not copied anything to, it just copied the settings but has not cloned anything to this dev one. ls cd www root ls. So here we don't have any of the files related to our application, like the way which are found, the ones which are found in our the production slot. So now what we can do is we can integrate this slot into our release pipeline. For example, in here if I deploy to slot, in here if I select that Azure App Demo App Services, in production we have production and dev. Okay, now if I save this and run the pipeline, Now this pipeline, now this release pipeline is pointing to this website, now this dev environment. Okay, yes, we were getting this error. Now this should go away once this is done. Right here it has said already deployed the package. Now if I go here, okay, so this is coming now. So this is our dev website, and this is our production one. Okay, if we go to our release pipeline in here, now this is the dev stage pointing to this one, and we can add one more stage here, saying that not the parallel one but a sequential stage. Okay, prod. In this one we can point to this website. So thank you for your time. See you in next video.